Trump's RICO case just got shut down in Georgia, and the judge disqualified her entire team. Let's dig in. Yo, welcome back, guys. Glad to have you. Yo, let me know, what do you guys think about the judge not only disqualifying Fani Willis, but her entire team from prosecuting this case? What do you think that represents about the current level of corruption in our Justice Department? We got a video to get us started real quick, guys. But yo, if you like the content, please like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell. I appreciate you. Thank you very much, guys. All right, let's see what they got to say.
A Georgia appeals court disqualified Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis from prosecuting U.S. President-elect Donald Trump and several of his allies for attempting to interfere in the 2020 election. In a 2-1 decision on Thursday, the court said that
Yo, y'all remember that she ran? She literally ran on, I'ma find something to charge this guy with. Come on, dude. And she wasn't the only one. How many of these state prosecutors did this? It's ridiculous, dude.
Romantic relationship between Willis and a former top deputy, Nathan Wade, created an appearance of impropriety. It called this, quote, the rare case in which disqualification is mandated, and no other remedy will suffice to restore public confidence in the integrity of these proceedings. The court did not require the case to be tossed out, but its decision will require a new state prosecutor to take over for it to continue.
What I was seeing was that her entire team was disqualified as well. So would this have to be like maybe like a special prosecutor, like a third party they appoint or something? How would they do this at this point if no one on her team is able to continue this prosecution?
A spokesperson for Willis's office did not immediately respond to a request for comment. The case was already expected to be at least paused as Trump returns to the presidency next month. Trump has said it should be dismissed in its entirety. A Trump spokesperson said in a statement reacting to the ruling, quote, the American people have demanded an immediate end to the political weaponization of our justice system. Meanwhile, Trump himself has publicly discussed using the federal government, including the Justice Department.
Yo, look at that hypocritical framing, because conservatives have been targeted since the Obama administration, but with different institutions, IRS, FBI. Are you kidding me? And now they're going to say, oh, man, because he wants to go after the people that are responsible for using government this way and for targeting political dissidents. Now they're going to say that is targeting your opposition. No, it's not. It's weeding out corruption in our institution and halls of government. OK, that's ridiculous. Dude, that is so dishonest.
To investigate his political rivals when he returns to power. Earlier this year, Trump and 8 co-defendants moved to disqualify Willis from prosecuting the case, alleging that she received a financial benefit from her relationship with Wade and had an improper motive to prolong the case. Willis admitted to the relationship with Wade, but denied allegations of wrongdoing and said she reimbursed Wade in cash for vacations the two took together.
Yo, oh, I reimbursed him in cash. See, there's a paper trail of the money that came to benefit me, but there's no paper trail of the money I paid back, but I paid it all back. Just trust I paid it all back. I'm a super honest person, and you should just trust that I paid it all back. Oh, okay. Okay, it's over. It's over. All right, look, we got an article to get into, y'all. Georgia appeals court disqualifies Fani Willis and her entire team from RICO case. No authority to proceed. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and her entire team were disqualified from prosecuting Trump in their lawfare RICO case. The appeals court did not throw out the charges, however. Fani Willis and her office have no authority to proceed. The Georgia appeals court disqualified Fani Willis because of her appearance of impropriety. Fox News reported they disqualified Fani Willis and her team from prosecuting President-elect Donald Trump in his election interference case on Thursday. The court did not toss out Trump's indictment entirely, but Willis and the assistant DAs working in her office now have no authority to proceed. So they would need to get an entire impartial third party. And who knows how the impartial third party might look at this and be like, yo, what is this? What even is this? After carefully considering the trial's court findings in its order, we conclude it erred by failing to disqualify DA Willis and her office. The filing states the remedy crafted by the trial court to prevent an ongoing appearance of impropriety did nothing to address the appearance of impropriety that existed at times where DA Willis was exercising her broad pretrial discretion about who to prosecute and what charges to bring. The court said that it recognizes that an appearance of impropriety generally is not enough to support disqualification. This is the rare case in which disqualification is mandated, and no other remedy will suffice to restore public confidence in the integrity of these proceedings. Accordingly, we reverse the trial court's denial of the appellant's motion to disqualify DA Willis and her office. We do conclude that the elected district attorney is wholly disqualified from the case, and the assistant district attorney, whose only power to prosecute a case is derived from the constitutional authority of the district attorney who appointed them, have no authority to proceed. The filing states, in August 2023, corrupt Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis indicted President Trump and 18 co-defendants for daring to challenge the 2020 election. It's ridiculous. Dude, I can't believe it, man. They're going to charge people with we have questions about whether or not our election was tampered with and inappropriately handled, and it goes not only to the voting machines and algorithms they use to weight different votes, but it also goes to the laws they changed during COVID and how those laws violated state constitutions, and it only worked during emergency provisions, and then they tried to and a lot of them did make these permanent changes in violation of their own state constitutions, and then dude, we end up getting dismissed by the court on standing. People have legitimate concerns, and to say that us trying to have these concerns addressed is us trying to manipulate the system and is us trying to subvert the system. No, we are concerned about people potentially trying to subvert the system. We have legitimate questions, and for you to try to reframe that and try to put that back on us, hell no, that's wrong, and we're going to call you out on it. You think you're going to get away with this type of manipulative behavior? Are you joking? How stupid do you think people are, man? Come on. Earlier this year, the Georgia Court of Appeals agreed to review President Trump's appeal to disqualify disgraced Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis from the sham RICO case against him. Upon consideration of the application of interlocutory appeal, it is ordered that it hereby granted. The appellate court may file a notice of appeal within 10 days of the order. The clerk superior court directed to conclude a copy of this order in record transmitted of the appeal. Yo, it's not just Fani Willis, man. It's also Letitia James. Like, these people think they can play these games and they're not going to lose support. Dude, they don't have the mandate from the people to do this, man. In an age of lawfare, New York Attorney General Letitia James has always embraced the total war option. Her appeal has been her willingness to use any means against political opponents. James first ran for her office by pledging that to bag Donald Trump on something, anything. She did not specify the violation, only that she would deliver the ultimate trophy kill for Democrat voters. James follows the view of what Prussian General Karl von Clausewitz said about the war. Law is merely politics by other means. Yet political success of James in weaponizing her office has been in stark contrast with her legal setbacks in courts. James earlier sought to use her office to disband the National Rifle Association, the most powerful gun rights organization in the country, due to self-dealing and corruption of executives. James notably did not target liberal groups accused of similar violations. The ridiculous efforts to disband the NRA collapsed in court. It did not matter. James knew that such efforts were performative and that New York voters did not care if such attacks failed. If she will continue to win lawfare battles, even if she loses the war. This week, two of James' best-known campaigns were struggling in court. James is known for her fraud case against Trump, where she secured $464 million, whatever. Bro, you get what I'm saying, man. You get what I'm saying. These people are trying to use their institutions to engage in lawfare, and they're losing support of their people. I don't think we're going to see Fani Willis reelected. I don't think we're going to see Letitia James reelected. All right? If you saw how popular Donald Trump was in New York, it was way more than Republicans had been in the past, right? Now, it wasn't anywhere close, but you get what I'm saying, man. And things are changing. The tide is turning, and I think these people are going to lose their reelection, and I think these people are gonna lose their support in court, man. And it's because they keep lying to people, right? It's because they keep being dishonest. It's because they keep targeting people politically when they don't have any justification to in reality under the law. And I think it's hilarious, right? Because, well, of everything we're seeing is not only in the court system, in the Justice Department, karma getting back on these people, right? Yo, it's also MSNBC, it's also CNN, and all of these institutions, man. Y'all remember when CNN basically admitted that they were fake news? They basically admitted that they were an arm of the Democrat Party. You guys remember this, y'all? Yo, check this out, dude.
The Harris campaign?
I mean, they're doing all they can.
Meet Basil Hamden, a writer and producer for MSNBC's weekend show, Iman. Basil also reveals that, quote, what her message of the day is their MSNBC's message of the day.
What have they done to help the Harris campaign?
Amplify her message. What her message of the day is their message of the day.
Hamden revealed that MSNBC is the Democratic Party's mouthpiece and is...
Yo, okay, you guys remember that, right? You guys remember that. All right, check this out. Check this out. Dude, now they are cutting pay for their highest paid hosts, the biggest people, man. Joy Reid, Stephanie Rule gets pay cuts. Didn't we hear about Rachel Maddow getting pay cuts? Bro, man, MSNBC's Joy Reid will reportedly need to take a pay cut if they want to remain in anchor chairs as the struggling cable network continues to cut hosts. Left-leaning news channel, which recently gave star anchor Rachel Maddow a $5 million a year haircut from her annual $30 million haul, has been negotiating with Reid and Rule on new deals at reduced salaries. According to the Anchor News, they done, bro. That's it, man. They done. These rich kids, man. These rich kids, dude. They have no idea what's going on in life, dude. No one trusts them. No one trusts their perspective anymore. It's over for these people. It's over for these people that want to weaponize the legal system. I don't think these people are winning re-election. I don't think this Letitia James in New York is winning re-election. And then, yo, y'all heard Kathy Hochul come out recently and say, yo, Trump needs to show some remorse if I'm gonna pardon him. Lady, yo, do you think you're winning re-elect? Oh my God, bro. I hope not. I mean, I know the city basically controls politics for the whole state. It's kind of frustrating. I always apologize to the New Yorkers that are outside of the city because it's like, yo, man, dude, that's not right. It's not right. Like literally, the state almost ends, and then New York just bloop, pops up at the bottom there and then just dominates the whole state politics. But anyway, all right, y'all. It's been great talking to you. I'll see you on the next segment. Please click on another video. They're all really good. They're good stuff. Video essays or whatever. You know, opinions and whatnot. Thank you.